So what are the new features of PHP 8? So we'll understand in this video what are the new features of PHP 8 and how do we answer this question. So what is PHP 8? PHP 8 is the new present version of the PHP which was released on November 2020, and one more new release, that is 8.0.3, was done on March 2021. So therefore 8 is a major release and there are small minor releases will be released every month. So these are small releases, but the major one is the 8.0. Therefore PHP 8 is the present version. So PHP 8.0 is a major update of the PHP language. It contains many features and optimization including named arguments, union types, attributes, construction property promotion, match expression, null safe operator, JIT, and improvements in the type system, error handling, and consistency. Now compared to 7, 8 will have much more improved. In every area, a lot of effort has put to improve the whole language. The most important feature added in PHP 8 is the just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler which will improve the performance significantly. That means it will take very less time to execute the code. Compared to previous versions, because of the just-in-time compiler, now the code will be executed much more fast. PHP is not compiled but interpreted line by line at runtime. Like any other language like C, C++, Ruby, all the languages will be compiled. That means before running it, we need to compile, make an exe file. Then we'll run the exe file. So therefore it will be quick and immediately it will run. But whereas in case of PHP, it's interpreted by line and the runtime. So therefore, compared to that, it's slow. Now in order to improve that, JIT is improved. JIT is included. JIT compiler will compile parts of the code at runtime so that the compiled version can be used instead. So therefore, with additional JIT compiler will do this compilation job. Therefore, it will give the improvement for the program. So here is a comparison. This is a 5.3 version, 7.4 version. This is a 8 without JIT. This is 8 with JIT. Assume that there is a program. So that will be tested for number of times. Let's say 100 times. And average time is taken here. When you run that particular program, so in 5.3 it will take 0.64 seconds. The same program in 7.4 in the same system configuration it will take 1 second, 0.1 second. In 8 it will take 0.09 second. Almost 7.4 and 8 is almost same because this 1 second is also near to 0.1 second. But whereas when you use the JIT, that is a just-in-time compiler, you can see that significantly the performance is improved. It only takes half of the time without JIT. That means it takes only 0.05 seconds. Therefore, the performance is really good in case of JIT. So therefore, JIT is introduced in 8. So other than this, named arguments, specify only required parameters, keeping optional ones. Argument is order independent and self-documented. So you can see that we need to earlier declare all the required parameters, but now we can skip unnecessary one or optional one. Match expression. So we have a switch case here, but newly match case is introduced. Now match will do much more better than the switch case. The new match is similar to switch and has the many features, so therefore it give the advantage. And you can also pass the result value to the variable. So instead of echo, you can pass the value to the variable and then you can print the variable or you can do the process here. Null safe operator. So earlier we need to write the program like this to check null values. Anywhere null, then the return value is null. But in PHP 8, the null safe operator introduced. Therefore now you can pass the value to here and here to here, here to here, here to this. Anywhere if there is a null value, and null value will be returned. This is a null safe operator. So 8 is better performance, better syntax, improved type safety. So therefore a lot of advantages compared to previous editions. Since its inception in the early 90s, PHP has evolved from fun way to track visitors to the website to a powerful and autonomous tool used to develop large-scale business-critical web systems. With an estimated 80% of market share, so PHP now 80% of market share on web applications. It is now server-side programming language of choice for the most of the web development professionals to create dynamic and interactive websites and applications. So therefore, its market share is 80%. 80% really quite big market share. So here is the comparisons of the different languages. You can see that PHP now almost 79%, near to 80%, and ASP.NET is 10%, and Ruby 3.7, Java 3.4. So this is the comparison. So therefore, PHP and web application is concerned, PHP will have the major advantage, and this is the language it's used to build the web applications. So these are the things you should aware of the PHP history and PHP versions. So understand them, so memorize properly, and you could able to answer all this if the questions are asked in the interview. So if you're looking for PHP projects, you can download from them here, and also sample code can be downloaded from this location. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also, you can like the video. If you like the video, click like button, and if you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.